This is cool!
Import your video into InShot. Trim the clip, leaving only the blank frame behind. Then add a freeze frame. Tap PIP and add the footage of you spraying your hand. Press autofill to fit your video to screen. Cut the clip where you're done spraying your hand. Then press chroma and chrome your skin out. Increase the strength such that you're only left with the outline of your hand. Make the final adjustments. And there you have it! Invisibility in a spray can. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.